Construction began at Eyre Elementary School during the summer of 2020. Improvements planned for Eyre will help relieve overcrowding and improve safety and security. A new classroom wing with 9 classrooms and 2 new bathrooms will be built here. The portable classrooms will be removed. A new cafeteria addition will include an adequately sized cafeteria, kitchen, and a multi-purpose fitness room. A new covered play area will be built here. A secured vestibule will be built at the main entry, so staff have the ability to monitor and control who enters and exits the building. Other improvements include gym improvements, heating and ventilation system improvements, electronic badge access system upgrades, and more. Approximately $12.2 million will be invested in improvements at Eyre. Construction is expected to be completed in September of 2021. Eyre Elementary School 2018 Bond Program. Thank you, voters.